star looks amazing.
You'll take it.
All this started in December 2020 when I thought it would be like to put this star in the top of this tall tree next to my house. I almost had it once, but most of the time I was way off. Believe it or not, I did not crash the drone, but in the end I had to give up. I normally don't give up on my projects, so this year I'm gonna try again using my DJI Mini 3 Pro. I already built the release mechanism as shown in my last video, so now it's all about the star. The old star is a heavy beast, so I have to build a new one. Before starting the operation, I need to inform about a concerning observation I did this summer. 3 years ago, the tree had a nice top branch. But this year, it's a total mess up there. It's 4 different branches going in all kinds of directions. Could it be the abuse it took 3 years ago? Well, I sure hope not. Anyway, the show must go on and I will try to use one of those branches. Okay, flight director speaking. Good afternoon, folks. This is go, no go for the great Star Putter 1 takeoff. Weather control, go. Battery, go, go. RC, go. Drop system, alright. Star controls, whatever. Drone operator, go. Drop operator. Merry Christmas. Christmas carol singers. Jingle bells, jingle bells. Silver boys. Alright, folks. We go for takeoff. We have liftoff. Moving for target. And approaching target.
We're down to 90 meters per second at an altitude of 6.5 kilometers descending.
Okay, I'm really struggling here. Can you prepare the Silver Boys? Thank you. Copy that. Silver Boys coming up. Alright, Silver Boys ready, coming up. Touchdown confirmed.
We're safe on Mars.
Thanks for all your efforts, folks. This is an amazing achievement, never ever done with a drone before. Executing twist command to face the house. Twist command successful. Executing release mechanism. Okay, folks, star fell down a bit and shifted away from the house. We don't care for now. Star looks amazing.
You'll take it.
I reached my goal. However, it turns out I miscalculated the current consumption a bit. Even when turned off, the LEDs use about 30 milliamps, and so they quickly drained my small battery. Actually, it only lasted one evening. I have to take it down to fix this, so it's time to test the hook. So I added a MOSFET transistor to fully turn the LEDs off. In addition, I put the microcontroller into deep sleep low power mode when not in use. This time I tried to put the star on the most straight upward branch, but I just could not get in between those branches, so ended up with one pointing towards the house. It got a funny angle, but at least now it was more visible from the house.